All right, we are out today and we're going to put this door back on the 39 Express, the C-Ray. So what we did is we epoxied the wood in and then I screwed it because, you know, in case that epoxy doesn't hold, it's at least screwed. So what we got to do is got to see, I got the wood backer there, so it backs up that. So we've been out here today. Had to replace some hose. This stuff was pretty bad, pretty dry rotted. You can see all the cracks in it. Just falling apart. So we're doing that. Still got the shrink wrap on. And as you can see, we got to do some bottom paint. Got to do some fiberglass work, a little fiberglass work. Have a fiberglass guy come out and just fiberglass this in. That's going to be black in here. Got my inserts done, but we have been cleaning and cleaning and cleaning. So we got the bottom painted. We got the bottom painted in there. New hoses. Here, Brant, take the hose. We got to take that back to the truck. So I gotta get down here. So we got all this painted. Everything back there painted. Underneath the engine painted. Back there painted. All in the back. I got a fan running. I'm hearing fan noise. And we got all the hoses for the strainers done. Air conditioning hose. Here's another strainer for the engine. Got those done. So we got all this painted back here. This is where the battery box goes. Battery box goes right here. So I got the new battery box that I built for it. So I'm just leaving it out right now because yeah, I got room to work in here and I had to paint it anyways. So today what we did is we changed the hoses. I got new hose back there for the generator. I just painted that back there, past the generator hose, back of the boat. Painted I got a new water heater going in there, so I just painted that. Got all this painted. It's not perfect, but it's better than it was. Eventually I got to pop that transducer out of there. I got to put a new transducer in for new electronics. So, but it's coming along. Got it painted back there. I got to get new seals, new packing. It's got to go in there. Stuff I took out of there, you know, when I had it in the water last year, the thing would just drip and drip and drip. Kept on tightening, nothing. So I got to get a new packing for in there. Haven't had too many weekends where it's, you know, working under the what you want to call it, the shrink wrap, where it's bearable enough to work in here. But we're going to put that door on right now. Now, as you can see, this is where the door goes, right here. And it would rub. You'd have to lift the door up because it would rub against here. Rub rail or whatever it was. Rub against there. It was annoying. So I tried tightening the hinges up, but the hinges wouldn't tighten up. So we had to take the door apart, and that's what we found. So we're going to put the door on now. So we got the door hung back on there. So now, that was a chore between the three of us. Now when you shut it, don't even think it's rubbing against this. Oh, there. It's rubbing against the shrink wrap. You shut it. No rubby. So we had to, that was nice. Worked out really good. Got even gap all the way up. So there you go. That's what we had to do. That's why we needed that backer in there. Right there. Because if you would have not put the backer in there, it would have just crushed that fiberglass. Well, that's one thing down. Now we got to get the pumps off, the water pumps. We got to redo the impellers in there. And those are at the front of the engine over there. Can't really see them. I ain't getting no video of that, but I'll get video of rebuilding it. There's the back aft. New hoses there. Intake. Right there for the generator. That's all that's painted. It just takes a lot of time. A lot of time. So that's it for this one. We'll keep you posted on where we're going or how we're doing. And then I got lighting going down here too. And if you look, you see all those LED lights up there. So that's going to replace, I'm going to tie it into the front lights on the engine down there. And then I got some other lights back here I got to put in. So when I turn on the bilge lights, I can actually see what's going on down there, which is good. Alright guys, see you on the next one. Like and subscribe. This is a little off topic. This is, you know, what I've been working on this summer. Just getting my boat ready for next year because the whole COVID thing, I didn't put it in this year. And I'm glad I didn't because I get to work on it. And this is an ongoing project. I think next week I'll have the water pumps done. We'll change the distributor, all the wires. Thinking about maybe doing the thermostat too, just in case. Then we'll go from there. See you on the next one.